Hey there, so recently I came across an interesting issue with WordPress Permalinks. So let me show you one thing. So this is my local WordPress and I have already set up the permalink. I'm using MAMP, and after setting the permalink, let's try to access any post or page. So still it is giving me a 404 error, and if I set it to plain, then it will work fine. So now if I try to access the page without permalink, it is working fine. Let's get back to the permalink, and now if we try to access this, it will give us 404. So then I tried to check the HT access, which is fine. HT access is correct. MAMP is on using Apache. Then so even if permalink is set and still our page gives us 404, then what we need to do, that go to applications, MAMP, conf, Apache, and then this file, open this file httpd.conf. So I'm gonna open this with Visual Studio and then try to search rewrite module. So this is the line, load module, rewrite module. Then remove this comment, enable this line up by removing the hash. And once you do that, we have to restart the MAMP. Now MAMP is restarted and now our page is accessible. So yeah, this was the interesting, so I thought to share with you. Please write down below in the comment if you had faced this type of issue or not. Thank you.